Are you looking for ways to eat healthy during your pregnancy? We've got you covered. Nourishing your body with the right nutrients is not only vital for your health, but also for the well-being and development of your little one. It's about making smart choices and maintaining a balanced diet. But don't worry, it doesn't have to be daunting. We're here to help you navigate through this journey. So without any further ado, let's dive into 10 quick tips for eating healthy during your pregnancy. Firstly, focus on a balanced diet. A colorful plate is the key. By incorporating a variety of nutrient-dense foods such as fruits, vegetables, lean proteins, whole grains, and healthy fats into your meals, you're ensuring a broad spectrum of vitamins and minerals essential for your baby's healthy development. Think of oranges for vitamin C, spinach for iron, and salmon for omega-3 fatty acids. Now, let's talk hydration. Water is more than just a thirst quencher. It plays a pivotal role during pregnancy. It aids in the development of the placenta, which is your baby's lifeline in the womb, and the amniotic fluid, your baby's cushion and swimming pool. Plus, it supports your body's increased blood volume during pregnancy. So, pour yourself a glass, a pitcher, or carry a bottle around. Remember, variety is the spice of life, and in this case, a colorful plate can be your best friend. Are you taking your prenatal vitamins regularly? They are essential for your baby's development. Among these, folic acid stands out as a superstar nutrient. It's a B vitamin that plays a vital role in the formation of your baby's neural tube, which later develops into the brain and spinal cord. Prenatal vitamins are packed with folic acid, ensuring that you and your baby get the required daily dose. But remember, these vitamins are not a substitute for a healthy diet, but a supplement to it. Now let's talk about meals. Eating 3 large meals a day is a thing of the past, especially when you're expecting. Instead, aim for small, frequent meals throughout the day. This approach not only helps to maintain steady blood sugar levels, keeping those nasty bouts of nausea at bay, but also ensures a constant supply of nutrients to your baby. Keep your meals frequent and your prenatal vitamins handy. Limiting caffeine and avoiding alcohol are paramount during pregnancy. Consuming too much caffeine can negatively affect fetal growth, so it's best to keep your daily intake to a minimum. As for alcohol, it's a no-go zone while you're expecting. Even small amounts can potentially harm your baby, so it's safest to abstain completely. Beyond these beverages, food safety is another essential aspect of a healthy pregnancy. This means washing fruits and vegetables thoroughly to clear away any harmful bacteria, and cooking meats well to avoid foodborne illnesses. Unpasteurized dairy products can also pose a risk, so it's best to steer clear of them. Just remember, pregnancy isn't about perfection. It's about making the best possible choices for you and your baby. So while you might occasionally crave that extra cup of coffee or a rare steak, it's important to remember the potential risks. Remember, what goes into your body directly affects your baby's development, so choose wisely. Processed foods might be tempting, but they are best avoided. We've all been there, with that candy bar or bag of chips calling our name, but remember, these foods are often high in sugars, unhealthy fats, and artificial additives. They offer little nutritional value and can lead to unhealthy weight gain. Instead, let's focus on omega-3 fatty acids. These are crucial for your baby's brain and eye development. Foods such as salmon, chia seeds, walnuts, and flax seeds are excellent sources of omega-3s. Try adding them to your meals for a healthy and delicious boost. Iron is another key nutrient. During pregnancy, your body needs more iron to make extra blood and help your baby grow. Iron-rich foods like spinach, lentils, lean meats, and fortified cereals can help prevent anemia, a common issue during pregnancy. Now, while we're talking about food, it's important to remember the old saying, listen to your body. Pregnancy can bring on a variety of cravings. Sometimes these cravings might be your body's way of telling you it needs certain nutrients. But be careful not to let those cravings steer you towards unhealthy choices. Instead, try to satisfy them with nutritious alternatives. Eating healthy during pregnancy is all about balance and making smart choices. Listen to your body, but guide it wisely. After all, you're eating for 2 now, and your choices impact not just you, but your little one too. So, these were our 10 quick tips for eating healthy during your pregnancy. Remember, a well-balanced diet, proper hydration, and regular intake of prenatal vitamins are key. Be mindful of your caffeine and alcohol intake, practice safe food handling, and limit processed foods. Add omega-3 fatty acids and iron-rich foods, and listen to your body's needs. A healthy pregnancy is a journey, and these tips will help you navigate it. Don't forget to hit subscribe and turn on notifications to stay updated with our latest videos. Join the Wise Living family today and embark on a path towards a more fulfilling and enlightened existence.